So hi there, welcome to All I Know About Stata for Data Management. So this data set before us is the World Development Indicators. So you get that from the World Bank website. So the challenging thing about it is that sometimes you need to scroll. They have data from the year 1960 up till in the year 2022. So the challenge is trying to get to a particular column. So you have to really literally scroll down, till you find what you're looking for. So, and sometimes it's not that easy just scrolling down. And by this, I mean by left to right, scrolling down to your left, to your right or your left if you're looking for a particular variable. So the fast way to do this is to just try and get the variable that you're looking for. So let's say I'm looking for the year 2003. That's it. So what I do once it filters out, I just double click. So it has taken me to the year, which you can find here. In the same way, I could go to 1977 and double click. It takes me to 1977. Or I go to the year 1960 and it takes me there quickly. So just by double clicking, I can quickly see the column I am looking for. So it allows you to go back and front if you need to do that. So that's one quick tip about how to quickly get into variables columns, especially if the variable section here, you see 68 variables here, is very, very long. It allows you to just go straight to the place that you are looking for. So even if you have 2,000 variables, 4,000 variables, as long as you have a sense of what the variable name is or the variable label is, you are able to just zoom straight to that portion. So that's how it works. I hope this helps and see you in the next video.